Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the density of your USB memory settings in the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu right here and go to function settings and select store and access files right at the bottom. So here we need to go over to common settings, scan and store settings, and now just click everything up top, so memory settings, and change default settings. Here we will have our density, and here we can easily adjust it, as you guys can see, from -4 to 4, and it's totally up to our preference. I always keep it at 0, but it's just me, and you guys can find your own perfect setting. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.